But you don't need to go far.
He's a suspect.
He is part of. Yes.
Yeah.
He is part of. He is part of.
Because you need to understand.
He must
he
come
might
here.
He might say, no, I was a bit far.
Not a problem.
Okay. We are there. In Article 11 of the Republic Constitution, the language he understands. He prefer Oshiwambo. What language do you prefer? Respondent number one. What language do you prefer?
Shiwambo.
Shiwambo. What language do you prefer? Because probably we might not have an interpreter, and it will force us, all of us, to speak in one language.
I want to speak Indian. I'm at an Indian shop, so I'm thinking of English.
Shall we interpret for him? Do you interpret for him? Okay. And the first instance, I say that I am Detective Inspector Gabriel,
Detective Inspector Gabriel,
head of serious crime.
serious crime.
This is my co-lieutenant detective warrant officer Shitilu.
Detective warrant officer Shitilu.
And is the unit commander of CIU, Oshakati.
Unit commander
Can you just abbreviate what? Criminal Investigation Unit. Okay. I want to make it clear here with regard to the interpreter. The chief here that is interpreting here is not a sworn-in interpreter, but it's a police officer that is trying to meet, to assist the citizens that they did not, that are not much so fluent in the official language, because the Constitution have also spoken that nothing contained that can prevent the use of other language as a medium of understanding. That's why he's doing. Quote it very well. Okay.
That day, kandiri kuchondu interpreta enza kukare kagere kasho mu constitution akamuna chata chiti daluguru okuhelping aningo kufatera mati hada tuli munyingo iraka anya matayo dikatara
Therefore, on the 8th of January 2024, at this moment I call it 10:32, the time that is giving me.
But he must be right at January
10:32 at the Rani Group, Ekuku, Kamini, the People's Market.
To Yeni Ekuku Mapo Kamini, Rani.
We are here to execute the court order that was contravened by respondent number 1, that is him, and the respondent number 4, which is you.
Mshamba wo mshamba kana kodo takuti wai wapeo milandu kohofa abantu milandu kukuwa kucha ne naya mukuli watango shashi ofo haga nja kutumia mukuli watango na karo member on Namibian Economic Freedom Fight nye ukimutara kucha member of Namibian Economic Freedom Fight mu introduce na kusekwali na ashi mulumano umuri mu uniform yo Namibian Economic Freedom Fight na Amushelelo mano nalikumba no chambo kuli mana la kutumia mkuli mkindi sono chenye kuchane aya mkuli tango.
Okay. By so doing, before I go further as per the respondent, I may request you to yes. As per respondent number 1.
Yeah, membership, we do have the membership, but we are not able to see membership.
Okay. We do have. Now, what shows that you are a member?
That is now what we need to.
It's what I want to establish before they stand here, because you said they are members.
They are just having heads.
Yes. Because they are members
now.
Yes. No, if I wear a hat as NAMPO, it does not make I'm a member of the
Don't
force.
answer them. Don't answer you. You are respondent number 4. You are not a
No,
member.
no, I understand.
Yes,
But
let them explain
me
to
wearing
them.
the beret does not make me a member of the force.
Amushelelo,
Precisely, even if I wear it, it does not make me a member.
you will not wear it
Sometimes
because
I
it's
just-
allowed.
That's why we are here.
Excellent. Not a problem. Can you explain to them in problem? Like their membership card. If they don't have their membership card, which means they are illegal. Because we are dealing with the respondent number 1. Not by uniform, by virtue of appointment.
Okay, so that means that by technicality of them not having any membership card to show that means they can be excused.
Then don't say they are members. They are not a member.
Yeah, no,
As
these
per
guys
the
are not
code.
members. It's only me.
Them, as they don't have members here, whatever they did here, they must remove it because we don't need to deal with them.
Yes, precisely. No time for no mama nguruka.
But we don't want them uniform.
Okay, kuziku kana when?
Uniform
Okay.
Namibian fighter umanga.
Yes, sending man.
Okay. Which means that your record, if you start recording us, your record will be regarded as illegal. And it's a violation of the, with him is recording you.
Yes, okay.
Okay. With him, we will be within the advice. With him is not a member of the economic because there's no valid document that proves to him that he is. He just came and support the group. We all clear with that.
Precisely.
Okay. Then you can move. Just move to the officers there. Okay. Thank you very much.
You stand in anti-cheat?
They need to be searched.
Okay.
Search them.
Is the duty is the mandatory of the police.
Search them. Search them.
No, but on what grounds?
That is the mandatory of the police.
But through the police act. I know, understand, but on what grounds?
There must be some suspicion.
No,
Prevention of crime.
No, but prevention of crime based on suspicion. No.
searching.
What do you know?
Everything which is in the document, searching. Any document, any whatever, searching.
No. If you do not suspect me of anything, you do not just start searching my body.
No, but what if I'm just doing a random search?
No, then if it's a random search, then it must have been a patrol, whereby I set a traffic roadblock, whatsoever. No, this is not patrol, you were caught. Let us continue. But that is violation of that gentleman's right. No.
Let him file a complaint about it.
No, why must
We
we
are-
I'm telling you right
We
now.
are ready to
When you
answer
go
them
to
in court.
CPA, when you go to CPA, section 20, state may seize a certain article.
It's okay.
Section 20 of the CPA,
I don't
state may seize a certain article. I just want to explain to you for you to understand it. May seize a certain article that are concerned, that may afford an evidence, that were intended to be used in the commission of a crime. It means there's nothing wrong for the police to say. Excellent. Nothing wrong.
Inspector, please continue.
Okay. By so doing, we don't need an interpreter anymore because you stand alone. Okay.
You see, now I must charge a case of assault. Wait, you are my witness. You assaulted me. Let us continue.
Okay, fine. 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. As contravened by respondent number 4, which is Mr. Amushelelo, Michael Amushelelo. You understand? Therefore, as I indicated by myself here, when you contravene this order, it's called contempt of court. Contempt of court, we are expecting the Rani group to come and lay a complaint that is supported by the document from the higher court. And therefore, as a Namibian, you have your constitutional right. Now I'm going to explain to you your constitutional right. Okay. You as a Namibian, every Namibian has his fundamental rights and freedoms. And there are rights that are going to be explaining to you. You have a right to answer questions after consultation of your lawyer. If you have that.
He's first supposed to say, I'm now under arrest.
No,
Then you read my
no,
rights.
no,
I will come in there.
no,
Okay, it's fine.
no, don't
You are
confuse
chief
me.
inspector. Okay.
Don't confuse me.
No, you are chief inspector.
Don't confuse me. The law is clear.
Okay, excellent.
The law is clear.
Continue.
You can. That's what I'm telling you. That you have the right to consult your lawyer to represent you when I'm going to explain to you. You have a right?
Okay,
That's what I'm telling you.
So I'll wait for my lawyer, then you explain.
No, I'm explaining to you. Your lawyer can be called. He will tell you that I must finalize it. And then from there we deal with it.
You are saying I have the right for my lawyer to be here when you
It's a procedure.
That's why I'm saying
telling you the
I'm requesting
procedure.
for my lawyer to be here. You just told me my right. Now I want to exercise it. Now you are saying I can't exercise
It's
it.
not a problem. I never said you cannot exercise them. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I call him? Yes, call him.
Calling him is when I effect an arrest. I'm still explaining to.
That's what
But
I'm
you
saying.
said you are going to arrest him.
You are just explaining. You will come to the arrest part.
Amushelelo, I'm telling you, I'm in a fundamental right. I'm coming to that effect of an arrest. Okay. Okay.
You are putting yourself in.
You have a right to consult your lawyer of your own choice. If you have one. If you don't have one, the state can provide you one. Unfortunately, previously it was for free of charge. But for now, there's a certain fee that can be added to the legal. I'm talking about the legal lawyer, the legal aid lawyer that can be given. Then from there, the state will provide you a lawyer as long as you apply formally through the process of the court. Okay, you have a right to remain silent. When I'm talking about the remaining silent, we are regarding to the order that we are busy executing here. Okay, you have also the right to answer questions after also consultation of your lawyer. If any question put on to you and you don't want to answer or you don't want to answer, you have also right to remain silent. You have also right to bail application. If the moment of arrest and the first appearance you were not granted bail, you have that right to apply. You take a paper and apply. We call it a formal bail application. Okay. Do you understand those rights that I explained to you now?
I've been arrested.
No, can you answer the question? Did you understand?
I understand how many times I've been arrested. So that's why I'm saying this process, I'm very familiar with it.
Did you understand what I explained to you? Okay. The charge that is against you is the contempt of court. By contravening order 2.2, 2.3, that is saying interdicting and restraining the first respondent and its member and or its supporter, and the second to the first respondent, which is you, fourth respondent, from engaging in an unlawful industrial actions and all an unlawful protest or intimidation, harassment and unlawful disruptions of the business affairs conducted by the applicant at their retailer premises. If we go back here at the beginning, you are required a 400 meter away from the retailer. As we speak here, you are within the radius of the 400 meter, which means that on its own, it's already a contravention of the order. You understand? Okay. Interdicting and restraining the first respondent and its member and all supporter and the second to the fourth respondent from in any manner whatsoever, it does not specify in whatsoever, interfering with all obstructing the normal function of the applicant retailer premises. That is what is going on.
That's a lie.
In whatsoever.
No, that is a lie.
Quote the what is the law saying. In whatsoever.
If you are quoting the law.
Quote?
No, let's
I'm
quote
not,
the law.
I am not
No,
explaining.
let's
I'm
quote
not
the
interpreting.
very same law.
You are going to explain
Not
it.
interpretation.
Okay.
Let us just quote the law.
Let me finish it.
No, let me read it for you. Maybe you
Let
don't
me
understand.
finish it. Let me finish. 2.2.
Because that's a lie.
2.4. Is the High Court that line?
No, it's not the High Court.
Okay.
You are the one who are coming to
Okay, thank you. Okay.
execute this court order.
Okay.
It's saying the retail premises.
Okay.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, that is the retail premises. We have never been at that door. We have never interfered with any of their work. No, the distance, here's the thing. It is not my fault that EPSN, which is a company that hires the worker, just so happens to have the same offices in the same complex as them.
Definitely. It's true.
Those are your
But it's true.
Those are your
You as an arresting officer, you must also be able to use the common
I'm telling you. Those are your
So if you are telling me
interfering, can I proceed? Mr. Michael, can I proceed? Interdicting and restraining the first respondent and its member and the supporter, and the second to the fourth respondent from inciting, encouraging any other person to commit any